The right to recall (RTR) is a democratic tool that allows voters to remove an elected representative before the completion of their term. This mechanism ensures accountability and provides citizens the power to demand performance from their leaders. In essence, the right to recall empowers citizens to de-elect MPs, MLAs, or local representatives if they fail to perform their duties or violate public trust. It acts as a direct democratic tool complementing the general election process and strengthening governance. Right to recall history and evolution. The concept of right to recall is not new to India. Its root can be traced back to Vedic times, where the idea of Raj Dham allowed subjects to remove ineffective rulers. Over time, this evolved into a democratic demand in modern India. 1944, M.N. Roy proposed the right to recall, advocating decentralized governance where representatives could be both elected and removed based on performance. Constituent Assembly debates. The Assembly discussed RTR as a legal remedy for voters, but Dr. B.R. Ambedkar opposed its inclusion. 1974, Jayaprakash Narayan supported RTR, emphasizing accountability of elected officials to their constituents. Lok Sabha proposal. 1974, C.K. Chandrappan introduced a constitutional amendment bill supporting RTR backed by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The bill, however, was not passed. 2017, Varun Gandhi proposed a private member bill to allow MPs, MLAs to be recalled within 2 years if 75% of voters were dissatisfied. India and right to recall. Democratic tool. Right to recall allows voters to remove an elected representative before the end of their term. National status not implemented at the national level for MPs or MLAs, only exist for local bodies in some states. Historical roots. Concept discussed since pre-independence. M.N. Roy 1944 and Jayaprakash Narayan 1974 advocate its legal framework. The Representation of the People Act 1951 allows removal only for specific offences, not general dissatisfaction. State level implementation. Bihar 20% of panchayat voters can demand a recall. Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh RTR exists for local government representative. Parliamentary proposals. 1974 C.K. Chandrappan's amendment bill supported by Atal Bihari Vajpayee failed. 2017 Varun Gandhi proposed recalling MPs, MLAs within 2 years if 75% of voters were dissatisfied. Purpose. Ensure accountability, prevents false promises, strengthens citizen participation and encourages honest governance. Challenges. Not widely implemented nationally due to legal, political and administrative obstacles. Global examples. Canada, British Columbia and some US states have RTR for elected representatives based on misconduct or non-performance. Future potential. If adopted nationally, it could enhance democratic accountability and reduce political corruption in India. Right to recall advantages. The right to recall provides multiple benefits to citizens and strengthens democracy. Accountability of representatives ensures that elected officials perform their duties sincerely or risk removal. Prevention of corruption. Knowing they can be recalled, politicians are less likely to engage in corrupt practices. Enhance political participation. Citizens feel empowered and become more involved in governance. Efficiency in governance. Underperforming representative can be removed quickly without waiting for regular election. True representation helps voters replace leaders who fail to deliver on election promises. Encourages honest politics. Discourages false promises and populist measures that do not align with constituent needs. Right to recall disadvantages. Despite its advantages, right to recall poses certain challenges. Misuse potential. Political rivals could manipulate recall petitions to remove opponents for non-performance reasons. Political instability. Frequent recall threats may affect governance and decision-making. Costly and time-consuming. Recall election requires significant funds, administrative resources, and election commission involvement. Pressure on representatives. Continuous need to please voters may hinder long-term policy making. Undermines independence. Officials may avoid making tough decisions to prevent recall. Right to recall in Kerala and other states. The Kerala government has recommended implementing the right to recall across India, emphasizing its potential to enhance democratic accountability. Madhya Pradesh was the first state to introduce the right to recall in local bodies, municipalities and panchayats. Chhattisgarh Section 47 of the Chhattisgarh Municipalities Act 1961 allows for the recall of elected officials in local bodies due to non-performance. Bihar. The Bihar Panchayat Raj Act 2006 and Bihar Municipal Act 2007 provide for the recall of panchayat members and councillors.